Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the HP Laserjet 1120 Plus driver on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So here, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for HP Laserjet 1120 Plus driver. After typing this particular thing here in the search bar, you just have to hit enter. Now you will find bunch of different links containing HP Laserjet M1120 multifunction printer software. So here I want you to click on the link and open it in a new tab just like so. Now after doing it, when you click on the first page that we have just opened, you will find the option of all software and drivers. So I want you to click on this particular option. You can also first of all click on the option of software and drivers. After that, you can select the option of printer. Over here too, you can type the model of your printer. So I'm going to copy it from here, then paste it here, then simply hit enter. Now it is going to show you the right printer on the top. So here click on the option of choosing the operating system. So here you need to choose Windows and then you can select the version. So I want it for Windows 11. Then click on the option of update. Now as you can see, it is going to show you the download button here. So click on the option of download and you can download this particular driver very easily on your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.